So this is the box of the 6 liter vguard water heater. So comes with a 2 years warranty from vguard. So there is no free fitting in this one, lower version. Higher version 10 liters above, there are free fitting from the vguard people. So this one we have to fix ourselves. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Out, in. The water will go in here. This one is a wall. If any dust or any something stuck inside, so you can remove this screw and clean it. And here heat water will come. So this is the fitting of the geyser vguard brand. Here you can see the power. So this is a specification. It's a 5-star 6-liter water geyser. Within 15 minutes the water will get heat. This is the adjust maximum here and minimum. I will start and then show you. This is a geyser switch. Here you can see power on, heating, and this is the maximum. So I'll just press the medium. So once you cross from the medium maximum, it will show the water is heating. So within 15 minutes the water will get heat. Here you can see here you can see in water. This is the in water and this is the out water. This is the fitting of the vguard water heater 6-liter. So now we will start. Heat water is coming. Very hot. So within 15 minutes the water will get filled. So here we have cool water. So we are mixing.